Do you know when you go to a Chinese restaurant and you have prawn toast and it's amazing? Yeah,
It's always amazing.
But when someone makes it for you from scratch with beautiful, fresh Australian prawns, it's even better. Khanh, you're making it for me today.
Yes, I am making prawn toast, but we're going to fancy it up just a tiny bit. We've got the prawns. I'm just going to chuck them in whole.
Whole, okay.
Don't worry about it. It's going to get blitzed up anyway.
Exactly.
I'm just going to save a couple that I'm going to chop up so that you've got different textures.
Great idea.
Now, could you chuck some, this is a little secret of mine.
Yes.
I like to flavour my prawn toast. This is a tom yum paste.
Love that.
But you can do anything. You can do green curry, you can do red curry, you can do massaman, whatever you want. Or even some kimchi would be really nice.
Oh, that's a great idea. And that just cuts a lot of the ingredients.
Yeah.
So I know I've always got a little bit of curry paste in the fridge or the pantry. Having that for a delicious thing like this, fantastic.
And then I've got some coriander. I'm just going to use the ends of it. We're just going to break that up because I can't be bothered chopping.
Oh, I love that. You're not wasting that either.
No, it's so good.
Yeah. Great.
I think about that much would do. We'll just pop that aside for now. Some spring onion. Same thing with the spring onions, just the white parts. Could you put an egg white in there for me?
Yes.
A little bit of sugar, a little bit of white pepper.
Okay.
Gorge.
Very easy. I love the sweetness of the prawns, though. There's something about prawns, we know why they're so popular, because they're so tasty. Could you use other shellfish for this? Could you use, like, Balmain bugs?
100%.
Yeah.
You can do bugs. Sometimes I mix the prawns with a little bit of fish just so that it's not so hard on the hip pocket.
It's a little bit more economical.
Yeah. Or some crab works if you've got a little bit more cash to spare. Scallops as well. It's all really beautiful. Oh, some sesame oil. We forgot about that.
Okay, sesame oil. And a little dribble?
Just a little dribble. Yeah, that's enough.
Okay.
Plenty.
All right.
So the reason I'm doing this is I want little chunks of prawn meat in the actual farce, like the mix itself.
Very
And
nice.
these are so beautiful that you just want people to know that they're good.
Yeah, I hear. All right, lid on, and we'll give that a bit of a blitz. How's that, Khanh?
That looks beautiful.
Smells good. So you really can work the prawns. It's not going to make it tough or anything like that.
No, you kind of want it to be a little bit bouncy.
Yeah.
Like you want those differences in texture.
Okay, I like that. And I'll just scoop that out.
pretty good.
It smells so good. There we go. Like a real paste, right? It's got to spread on the bread.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, so now that that's done, can I just have that spoon? I'm gonna just test a tiny bit. I think it's really important. You always test your mixes, right?
Yep.
So the oil's at temperature. I'm just gonna drop a tiny bit of this guy in.
Okay. Yes, actually, you should check that. I don't know if I added enough salt to your liking.
We'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see.
Yeah, it really puffs up straight away, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Okay, that's ready to go.
Even just that, without the breads, like little
So
prawn
yummy.
puffs.
Like little nuggets, prawn nuggets.
Yes.
So gorgeous. It's gonna be hot.
Be
Oh God, this is my problem. Whenever I see something like this, I want to eat it straight away, and I burn myself every single time, like I'm about to do right now.
Well,
Cheers.
I better do it with you. Cheers.
Oh, a little bit more salt.
See, this is why you need a test.
A little bit more salt, but that's really lovely.
Oh, that's very good.
And the fragrance from the tom yum paste coming through, gorge.
That, and also the coriander.
I'm gonna give you some
Love
of that too.
Great. So the two textures of prawns going in. This is like one of those delicious dishes you have with a cold beer.
Chablis.
Fantastic. Oh, Chablis.
Chablis would be great with
Absolutely.
That looks beautiful. Grab your bread, a palette knife. You can use like a normal knife if you want to, like a butter knife. But
Yep.
like, I find this so much easier.
Oh, and you put quite a lot on.
Oh, babe, this is not a restaurant. We're doing this at home. We want people to be very happy. So we're just gonna make sure that that topping is very smooth, and that's done. We're gonna drop this into some sesame seeds, and then repeat.
Oh, very good.
I think we're gonna cook it for about 2-3 minutes until it's golden. It doesn't take very long whatsoever.
Yep, okay. Well, let's make a few more because one prawn toast is just not enough.
No. How good does this smell?
It's a really good day today.
Could you do me a favour and chop up some chilies for me?
Absolutely.
We're on to the plating part. So I said that I want this to be a little bit more fancy.
Yes.
So I'm going to grab the prawn toast and actually just cut it into little chunks.
Oh, I like that. See, it's the way you cut. There's just like something soothing about it because you're really invested and you get down there and you kind of. Okay, good.
Oh my God.
Is it piping hot? I'm gonna burn my tongue.
No, it's good, it's good. I'm so happy. I love prawn toast so much.
You know what is the sweetness of the prawns? That's why prawns are so popular because they're so sweet. And after giving it a really good blend, there's still that perfect texture.
Beautiful.
Love it.
Okay, so the mayo is just hidden at the bottom as kind of like an anchoring point.
Okay, I like that.
We're just gonna scatter it. And look, at any point, if you think it needs more mayo,
Yeah.
feel free. Just give it a little
I
pipe
like
here
the
and
mayo
there.
with it, not just because it looks pretty in the anchor, but it tastes good.
Oh, it tastes so good. But also prawns, mayo, bread. Come on. Now, it wouldn't be me without some spice. So a nice spoonful of chili oil or chili crunch. Anything chili, really.
Chili crunch is just a must in my fridge now.
Heaven.
Or in the pantry, really.
Heaven.
Depending where you want to keep it. And you can get really hot ones
Yep.
or milder ones. For me, a bit mild.
We've got the coriander. That can just sit on top.
One thing I know about your cooking is you love herbs.
I love herbs.
And it's not just for the look of it, just the flavour. I think that's the
fresh-
Vietnamese cuisine behind you. You just love the fresh herbs of
If
the
I
dishes.
served this like that, I could literally hear my ancestors yelling at me. So I need to add on the herbs.
Nothing wrong with that.
All right. Thank you for slicing up these spring onions, by the way. They're beautiful.
Curly enough?
Very curly. If you can sprinkle some of your chili on,
Sure can.
that looks gorgeous. It's just the colours, right?
Yeah, and it's a really nice way to show people how to plate up something as simple as prawn toast.
Yeah.
Taken to that next level.
And then I've got some chili threads just to take it again to the next
Wow.
level. It makes it super smoky. That's done.
Well, Khanh, I know we did have a little taste, but I think it's really important we try this marvellous prawn toast with all the condiments with it,
Yeah.
right? This one's got my name on it. Mayo, dip, dip.
God, I'm so excited.
It was good before, but that with the chili oil, the mayonnaise.
Yum.
I think this is the best prawn toast I have ever had.
No. That is so nice. You're lying.
I'm not
Thank you,
lying.
though.
I promise you I'm not. This is so good. And the best part is you have the recipe and now you can make it at home. Khanh, you're the best.